أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I seek refuge in Allah from the cursed devils. In the name of Allah, the gracious and merciful. All praise due to Allah Almighty. His blessing and prayers cast among His messengers, especially our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What I'm doing here, I'm decoding for numerical systems in the Great Wise Quran related to the disjointed letter, mainly in this group of lectures. And I claim in my study that Ta, Sin represent Tariq, Sin represent As-Saway. So Ta for At-Tariq, the path. Sin represent As-Saway, the straight. And Mim represent Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. And Ta represent At-Tariq, the path. And Ha represent Allah Almighty, Tariqullah. Trying to prove this point. These are 4 letters. If we manage to prove them in this situation, we have like big, set of letters solved. So now, out of 14, we need to look into 14. The meme changed a little bit from Alif Lam Mim, Muhammad, Ta Sin Mim, Muhammad, alayhi salam, Ta Sin, Musa ibn Imran, Ta Sin, Al-Masih ibn Maryam. That's acceptable, but like the heaviest opinion is Muhammad alayhi salam. Nothing prevent to represent Al-Messiah, son of Mary, and Moses, son of Imran, peace be upon all the prophets. Okay, so in the previous lecture I did some not familiar work, decoded for the 5th value of Ta Sin, repeated in chapter 27 first. So 27 Ta, 93 letter Sin, 5th value of Ta 38, 5th value of Sin 234. We get this big number, 22,788. Decoded with the word Tariq, multiple Ta Sin, the 5th value, Ta Sin 5th value, get the straight path, At-Tariq As-Saway. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, the 5th value, the year, the last complete year for the Tariq, and Hijri. Then we did it different approach with 2986. You can do it with 2457 if you want, because 2457 is the 5th value of 14 disjointed letter. 5th value of the for this is this number participate Ta Sin participate with this much number into this number. Okay, this is, I use it a lot of times, but now I don't have it. I cannot do this type of calculation live. Takes a lot of effort to perfect such kind of calculation. Now let's lower the calculation a little bit. In chapter Ash-Shu'ara An-Naml Al-Qasas, Ash-Shu'ara An-Naml Al-Qasas, how many Ta Sin Mim in the 3 chapters? So if you look at the Ash-Shu'ara chapter 26, these 3 chapters they call At-Tawasin. So if you look into these, how many Ta and how many Sin and how many Mim in these 3 chapters, if you don't make a mistake, we have 79 letter Ta, we have 287 letter Sin, and we have 1334 letter Mim. Let me give you this data, and then we start analyzing these data. So where are we gonna go now? This one, Ta Sin Mim 2 and Ta Sin 1. I'm gonna delete this. So La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So I don't think you guys think that we have such kind of complicated system in the Quran. Well, I'm not surprised, because I was looking into such thing. With the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I figured it out. Because I'm looking at these, that these is a big information behind these letters. If you think you're gonna solve for it in 1 hour or 1 day or 1 year, that's you, not me. I think myself we need like a whole lots of scholars to look into it for years. Okay, 24/7. So this is not an easy task, you know. But anyway, in the 3 chapters, chapter 26, 27, and Naml 28, Al-Qasas, Ta, Sin, Mim. Okay, 79 letter Ta, 287 letter Sin, 1334 letter Mim, sequential value times 9 times 15 times 13, 711 for Ta, 4,305 for Sin, and 17,342 for Mim. Add them all together, you get 22358. Look to the word Tariq showed up over here. Tariq. 35 Al-Jannah, 23 completing the Tariq. 38 Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. So there's a lot of important decoding here. Look this Tariq, Al-Jannah, Tariq, Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, 38, and 23 completing the Tariq. See? It's just looking at it. Alright, that's very nice. Let's decode 5, 5, 8, and this is Tariq, and this is Tariq also. 58, 58 as you see. One way to solve this one here is you do 49 Allah Wahid. Allah is one. It's a monotheism constant. Ta Sin Mim Tariq Sawi Mustaqim. Ta Sin Mim. This number 37. This Ta Sin Mim. Ta Sin Mim 181. Tariq Sawi Mustaqim. Tariq is 58. Sawi is 31. Mustaqim 92. 181 exactly. Plus 37. Is this wrong here? Why I have different oh, At-Tariq As-Sawi. I'm sorry, this is At-Tariq As-Sawi. Hold on, I'm wrong. Hold on. 20 At-Tariq, the path, At-Tariq As-Sawi Al-Mustaqim. Now different value. At-Tariq is, how is this, man? What is this? What are you doing? Hold on. At-Tariq As-Sawi 115. Al-Mustaqim 105. Okay, that's good. At-Tariq As-Sawi Al-Mustaqim. Tariq Muhammad bin Abdullah. I have it wrong in this paper here. 183 Al-Messiah Isa ibn Maryam. The Messiah Jesus son of Mary. Could be stand for Mim. Allah knows best. Here, what you got? 49 plus 220, 106, 183. That's 558 covered. Times 37, 20,646. What 27? Why 37? The value I'm decoding for Ta Sin Mim. I'm using it as a constant. Okay, move it out of 22358. I'm gonna deal with 1712. 1712. Notice 71 is the word At-Tariq. I use it here. At-Tariq 71. Okay. Okay, take out of this much number the name of the Prophet Ahmad Abdullah 94. Masih Isa ibn Maryam. Right? Take the name of the Prophet Ahmad Abdullah, Isa ibn Maryam, Ahmad bin Abdullah 94, Isa ibn Maryam alayhi salam. The name of the prophets. Okay. 1494. The year when the sun rises from the west and the door of the Tariq will shut down. The path will shut down due to the sunrise from the west. Today, some astrophysicist talked to me today. He remember, I talked to him before, and now he remember to discuss some of the thoughts I told him about how it's going to happen. And he tried to ask about some thoughts I gave him when I talked to in that lecture I gave. And Well, it's very hard. It's people sometimes they try to find some problem instead of thinking about it. So he was discussing me at the law of physics based on continuous gravitational or torque affected the earth, and I never said that. I said, when I said that, I said it's a temporary, gravitational force or torque affecting the suspended system between the earth and the dwarf, or the neutron star or the dwarf will affect that ever. This is not, we're not talking about continuous gravitational force, because he was like thinking it's gonna act, the earth gonna act like a tub, the tub, the gyroscope thing, I never said that. And I told him this is remember, this is a suspended system, and this is not solid also. So he kept pushing to find the holes in the, he's my friend, but I guess he don't like what I came up with. But I told him this is like, it is a suspended system without the gravitational force. This gravitational force affecting the earth to cause the earth to tilt is going to be very temporary. And the oceans on top and the liquid inside is going to act different than solid, continents, He got convinced right away. He knows, because he knows the knowledge. I told him, I was wondering how he think that way, but I don't know why. Maybe somebody asked him, I don't know. I told him this is not like, this is like, is not, there is no friction, there is no continuous gravitational force, so you cannot consider it like some type of like gyroscope motion for it, or like what you're comparing with the tub, with the friction. A friction is something and the gravitation is something else. But in this case it's not like that. This is a suspended system in heaven, and that is the temporary effect on it. So definitely the earth, he was trying to convince that me, or say the earth is gonna be tilt for a while. I said no, it's not gonna be tilt for a while, because by the time the Tariq comes back and go through the system and finish, and the coupling with the earth dissipated and diminished, the system, the liquid system in the earth is going to be already pushing back the earth to stand up in the very close to the original state, But the only thing is not going to be in the same state where the orbit of the earth. The orbit is going to be, the earth will be kicked toward the sun. He's okay now. I said, let me know if you have a problem with the model I gave you. If you want, I give another lecture, He said, no, now it's different. Okay, I said, okay. So now, the year is here. The year is this year, so we know where we get the year is easy to get. For Muslim, for non-Muslim, they don't believe in the Quran maybe to start with, but for the Muslim brother, they know this number we can get from the Quran. Like Tasin, Tariq al-Sawi. The Tariq al-Sawi is going to stop somewhere. It's not going to be running forever. Okay, this is another decoding for Tasin meme. This is another way to do, I think this 121, 122, I'm sorry. I like 121. 122, I do not know, what is it? Times 171. Okay. 171, maybe you can solve for this one. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me see. Yeah, maybe, hold on. I can solve for this one. Let's do 121. I like better than the one I have. Because 121, I know what is it. 121 is the Shahada. Ashhadu anna, I bear witness no God but Allah. Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah. And also, and Muhammad Rasulullah. I saw times 171, I'm decoding now. And how much? Take it out of that big number there. 121 times 171. This is 20,691. Take it out of 22358. So how much I have here? One more time. 22358. 121 times 171. This is a constant. It's very heavy constant. 14 disjointed letter sequential value. It's a known constant. I'm going to deal with 1667. So what is this? How are we going to solve for this one here? If you take Allah who 77, Allah who Allah, or you take Siratullah, the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the path of Ahmad Abdullah, the name of the Prophet, 1490, how much is this? And 94, 1496. This is the year of the pleasant wind. Can we do some other way? This is good. I know all the terms here. This is good. This is good enough. Because now I gain that value with 121, 22 here. I don't know how to solve for it. But it's good, you know, I cannot complain. طب what if when I do solve with البسملة بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم, same thing, you do 106 for this big number, 106 Muhammad bin Abdullah, the name of the Prophet, peace be upon him, times البسملة 192. This is a big number, a number left here. Let me deal with it. So we have 2, 2. Why I cut that big chunk of it? Because I do not know. There's a lot of information. This came from a whole chapter. I don't know. I know some of the knowledge, some of it, the tail of it, the most important. Okay, I do not know. So if you know, you tell me. Here, I give you a free marker and the board and the computer and the camera. And I sit there, listen to you. Till that time, you know, let me do my work, please. 2006. This name Muhammad alayhi salam. Okay, decode as follows. Tasim mim, which I'm decoding for. Tasim mim. The word represent Allah, the messenger Muhammad Abdullah, the messenger al-Messiah, son of Mary. 181 I used a minute ago. Where I used 181? I deleted maybe. It's over here maybe, one of these numbers here. Anyway, this is Tariq Saway Mustaqim. No, I didn't give you this one. I skip it. Okay, no problem. Now I give it. Similar. Tariq Saway Mustaqim. Tariq 58 Saway. If 31 Mustaqim 192 is 181. 1482, the year 1482. This much number, nothing, 1482, like this one, any one of these. Hijri, 38 Hijri, immigration Nabi, the calendar. Let me see if that fit. So 237 Tasim Mim, the word represent Allah, His messenger Muhammad and Messiah, His messenger. 181, 38, yes, 1482, or you do minus 1496 and 23 and 1, because this system here you can do 1 start the bath, 23 completing the bath, 1496 the pleasant wind shutting the bath, and the whole thing is gone. That's it. Elevating the Quran. Or like I said, I mean, you need, this is very complicated study. Like I said, you need to look into it. Let me maybe, I'm still in the same topic, but maybe let me see what I can do in how many minutes. 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, what I'm gonna do here in these 3 chapters, on the right side here, 26, 27, 28. These called that La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. 28 Al-Qasas. These are how many letters Ta, Si, Mim repeated, And remarkable, see, every time I forget a lot of information. Add them up straightforward. 79 plus 287 plus 1334, 1700. 1700 is a number. What is 1700? Number one, take out a 218, the word Hijri, the migration of Nabi alayhi salam, the name of the calendar, you get 1482. I just noticed that. I should have leave it with the 1482, I just deleted. Type, what if we do, take out of it, Ahmad bin Abdullah, the name of the Prophet, Isa ibn Maryam, the name of the Prophet, also 1482. Okay? Same thing, the same thing. Here. Okay, let me do this. Where? Here, this one. See? Tab, okay, do geometrical value of it. Geometrical value is 711 times 9 times 9 times 60 times 40. 711 17220 53,360. Okay, add them up together. 71,291. But 71 is the word at-tariq, the path. At-tariq, the path. Sequential value though. I don't distinguish between geometrical value and sequential value. For me, what important is the symmetry, not the number. So we're not here counting money. We're counting numbers and symmetry. The symmetry allow you, like they make a picture for you at 6 feet high, okay, 200 pound. We make a picture for you 4 by 4. Shrink your sizes or dimensions to same shrink to give you, or make a picture for you, a profile picture like 1 inch by 1 inch, and both pictures represent you. So same thing, this is your picture, this is your picture, this is your picture. Okay, if we make you a billboard, whatever they call this, advertising board on the highway, we can make you looks like about 10 feet high or 20 feet high, and you look like a dinosaur. So it's still you. Okay, all right, let me decode for this. 629, I'm gonna choose 629, which is, I claim, is Tariq Saway Tasi Mim, this number 109, Tasi Mim, what left 66, the number represent Allah, and 454. What is 454 here? So I'm gonna do 629. I took out of it 109, the Tasi Mim, the word represent Allah. What left 454? What is 454? Is 92 plus 362. Muhammad Rasulullah alayhi salatu wassalam. All this times 109. I'm decoding with it. Tasi Mim. What I'm trying to prove for you guys. Okay, do that. This is very heavy opinion, so relax. Do not look to prove me wrong like this professor so and so. Try me. He wasn't trying to prove me wrong, but I think someone asked him and he questioned me. And instead of answer him, I said, "Come on, prof. You know, this is not like, you cannot compare it with a tub. You cannot, because the tub is the gravitational force is affecting 20 like all the time. That's why. But in this case, it's gonna pass so fast and go through the system. It's not gonna affect. Well, the model need to be like perfected, but like we need data. I need data. I need where's gonna pass in the system. Where's the Jupiter? Where's the moon? Where's the sun? Where's the Earth in the orbit? How long is gonna affect? I assume 70 some hours, but maybe that's less or more. So I do not know. I think the speed is gonna be above like 250,000 kilometers per hour. Is very, very fast, you know. But maybe I'm wrong, you know. I need data, but in general, it makes sense. Everything perfect. 29 times this much here, then 24. So 271, 291 plus is 629 times 109. This is 68561 out. I'm going to deal with 2730. 2730, this much number. Okay, 2730, 2730. Okay, take out of this one 457, 286, 492, and what left is, or take 493 or 492 because meme. Okay, that's 2 is good. 92, and what left is 1495. As you see, 1495 is Ba'thi, equal to 1482. These are the same year, different calendar. You do not know about this calendar because this is my discovery. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All the time I said, with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm very thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Tariq al-Saway, our master Muhammad Abdullah, our master Messiah son of Mary, 1495. So this is Tariq al-Saway. Tariq is 350, al-Saway 107. Muhammad bin Abdullah alayhi salatu wasalam, al-Messiah son of Mary ibn Maryam alayhi salam. Because both they're going to be on the path. On the one in the beginning, one in the end. Alayhi salam. So is this meme shift from Muhammad in a certain time to al-Messiah? Maybe. This calculation say yes. This calculation say yes. This is Isa ibn Maryam. Okay, other calculation just mention our name. So who's heavier, you think, in your opinion? Our master Muhammad, because he's the one dominate most of the era. And Isa, the Messiah son of Mary, when he comes, he gonna be part of Muhammad's ummah. He's a messenger. He's a great messenger, one of Ulul Azim, one out of 5, like Muhammad number 1, Ibrahim number 2, Nuh number 3, Musa and Isa, peace be upon all of them. Or not to discriminate between them, let's say Muhammad, Isa, Musa, Ibrahim and Nuh. Just go, the closest to the farthest. Alayhim salam. But he is among the Ulul Azim, out of 313 messenger, out of 124,000 prophet came to the humanity. Okay, Allah knows best. But like I said, I'm gonna stop here. I did most of the calculations here for you guys. There's more into it. But Tariq al-Sawi al-Mustaqim thing, same thing here. 624, another way to decode. 624, not 629. That's it, khalas, same thing. It's gonna give same year. The Tariq, Ta, Si, Mim. What is the conclusion? Ta represent al-Tariq, Sin represent al-Sawi, Mim represent Muhammad. Relax. How long is gonna go the Tariq? Forever? No, not forever. 1400, 1500 except few years. 1495, 1496 Ba'thi, or 1482 Hijri, this year. Ba'thi, this is Ba'thi. So the Islamic Ummah will be about 1000 day, 1500 year, little bit less. Exactly 1496. It's not gonna finish the 1496. This is the year of the pleasant wind. Take the soul of the believer, according to the theory. I keep saying, Allah knows best. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna stop for tonight. Subhanakallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. So what is Tasin from now on? Do not guess. Do not make your own story. Okay, do not just say the secrets of the disjointed letter and give me 5 minutes lecture. It does not work like that. You need to prove your opinion. If you think I'm wrong, I accept your opinion. But if you prove it, you cannot say, "Oh, you're wrong because I don't like how you look." It does not go by look. It goes by information. You need to look what I said, how I decoded for it, and you tell me. If you think this opinion is not strong, or you can come up with different opinion and prove it for me. Okay. Okay. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.